This is a 2019 Mustang Bullitt. As you well remember, Bullitt was a famous car, a famous movie car, and it was resurrected again in 2008, and here it comes back again in 2019. Really a great car. Made famous, of course, by Steve McQueen and his exploits on the silver screen. These were limited production and basically the same as the GT, but 20 added horsepower, and of course, standard 6-speed manual transmission. Here's a listing of all the attributes there. A little glary, but you can make it out. Lots of soundproofing, but this Coyote engine is famous for its growl, so they do let some of that engine noise in if you want it. They have a tube, I think, that opens up and allows some of that sound to enter the passenger compartment. I like those brakes with the painted calipers. Nice interior. And there's a little addendum there. By the way, there's a 6-speed manual. There's a little addendum. I've added the road test for 20,000 miles over, I think, 10 months or so. And it gives you an idea of what it's like to drive this car. And it's very favorable, by the way. I'm thinking that that's the license plate that Steve McQueen's car had in the movie. Of course, not a real plate. Very nice indeed.